It's important to know that all pets are individuals. Some dogs like other dogs more, and some dogs don't really care for the company of other dogs, and that's okay. It's very similar to humans. You may have noticed you don't like every person you ever met. However, you gravitate towards some types of people's energy or character or personality, and dogs are very similar. Some dogs like more calm, relaxed, maybe an elderly dog, and others like a really rambunctious kind of bully and kind of rolling around on them. So that being said, first it's important to note if your dog or what characteristics or what traits, what types of dogs your dog likes in that. Does your dog prefer males or females? Does your dog prefer a certain type of breed or a certain size dog? A good way to introduce dogs, just kind of see, first of all, knowing and understanding your dog's body language intimately and your dog in general. Then, of course, you'll have the upper hand and be able to ascertain and figure out, does your dog really like the company of other dogs? For example, are they backing away? Are they lunging? Are they gradually very soft body language, walking towards a dog, very loosey-goosey, the whole body kind of wagging? You can, of course, enlist a friend with that dog or walk side by side at a distance on leash. For example, let's say start at 20 feet away from one another, walking on leash, and then slowly decrease that distance between the both of you until the dogs are able to sniff and get to know one another. I'm assuming, of course, both dogs are very friendly and healthy. You could also do this inside of a big park area, so they have a lot more space to run around. You could also use long leashes, like a 15 or 30-foot long line, so that you have some type of control and a simulated off-leash experience. And lastly, you could enlist a chain link type of fence where if you were concerned your dog might have some reactivity, you could see how they respond to each other through the fence. However, after that initial meeting, I would move on to allowing them to actually touch and sniff and play with one another. Otherwise, it could start to get frustrated not being able to play with one another.